The last TEK on our test was 8.2D, order a set of real numbers arising from mathematical and real-world contexts. That means ordering least to greatest and greatest to least. So slides 13, 14, and 15 ask you to do that. I will show you how to do so on slide 13. It says, which one of the following lists correctly places these rational numbers in order from least to greatest? You'll need to convert all 4 of these numbers into decimal form and then place them least to greatest. Now, yours might say right here to type in least or greatest. I did as such, and I typed least here, and I typed greatest here. On other problems you'll see, you'll need to do that yourself. So for this first one, 2 2/3, I need to convert that to a decimal. To do that, I need to use my decimals calculator. You might have noticed by now that that is a common theme throughout today's assignment, that you'll need your calculator. So here I am on decimals, and I'm going to type in 2 divided by 3, which creates 0.6 repeating. Now some of you might be wondering, why didn't I do 2 2/3 like the problem says? Well, the answer is that I knew that 2 could be added at the end, that it becomes 2.6 repeating. However, if you prefer to see all of that, you could very literally type in the 2 and then a plus sign before the fraction. I get 2.6 repeating. So I go back over here to my Google slide, and I'm going to type in 2 decimal 666 repeating. I'm going to do the same thing for all of my other numbers here. Go to my decimals calculator, type 2 1/3 in, and I get 2.333 repeating. Luckily, 2.75 is already a decimal for us. So I have 2.75. I can't have a blank. We taught you in class that you have to fill that in with a 0. Our last one, 2 1/2, 2 decimal 5 0 0. I now need to order these from least to greatest. So to help me do such, I'm going to stack these numbers as we did in our previous assignments. So here I am. I have the black, orange, blue, and now I'm grabbing the pink one. So in class we taught you to look at these numbers and which one's the smallest in this first column. They're all 2s, so that doesn't help us. Our second column is all decimals. That doesn't help us. Our third column, which number is the smallest? That would be the orange one, or the second one. And right here it says type the numbers or colors in order here. So the color was orange, which was 2 1/3. Our next smallest one would be 5, which was our last one, 2 1/2, the pink one. So I type in pink, 2 1/2. Now again, you don't need to type color and number. I'm doing that so that you can see that you can do it by by color or number. So I had orange, then pink, and then what's smaller, the blue one or the black one? Hopefully you would tell me the black one, which was 2 2/3. Lastly, we have the blue one, which was 2.75. Orange was the least, which is why it's over here on the left. The blue was the greatest, why it's over here on the right. Do likewise for slides 14 and 15. Now, if you've watched all the videos, I've done one of the problems for you every single time. Okay, good luck, have fun, ask questions.